So I strongly suggest running your batteries on your RV, like LifePo4 batteries, in parallel instead of series, and there's a really good reason why. Now, I know if you're running batteries in series, you can save a little bit on costs for wiring and a couple of other items, but those little tiny costs that you're saving for, running a 24-volt system, for wiring and other things, it's a little bit upfront, savings true, but there are issues with that. So if I'm running a parallel battery setup, and let's say I have a 100 amp hour battery, I'm just getting started. I want to throw a 100 amp hour LifePo4 battery in there, and later on I want to upgrade it to 200 amp hours. Well, if I'm running parallel, I just throw another battery in there. There's no additional cost, no changing a bunch of things. I just throw another battery in there, and now I have 200 amp hours. And if I want to have 300 amp hours of power later on, next year, I can throw another battery in there. Or I can throw, 200 amp hours extra in there and have 400 amp hours of extra power. So I can just add in a parallel battery setup, and I don't have to worry about, these crazy wirings or a lot of configurations. And the really, really best thing about parallel battery setup is I don't have to battery match. And what this means is if you are running a batteries in series, and let's say you have a 100 amp hour battery and another 100 amp hour battery, and they're in series, and now you want to, upgrade the system. Well, I can't add another battery to it. Even if I add two 100 amp hour batteries to make it 400 amp hour, and it sounds like, oh, I can just do that because I'm just adding two more batteries to it. The problem is they don't match because the used batteries you have in there won't match with the new batteries. And with series setups, it just doesn't work. There's a lot of dangers involved with it. So you can't match used batteries and a new battery in a series setup. Now, parallel doesn't matter. You can have a used 100 amp hour and a new 100 amp hour battery, throw it in there. It's going to be fine because they're going to balance themselves out, and it's going to this one's going to shut down charging, and this one's going to keep charging when it needs to. So it'll actually balance itself out. Now, the general rule is, and this is great if you're on solar. Uh, Once a year, you need to top these batteries out. Just top them completely out, and that'll help maintain, give your batteries a long life. And with solar on your system, if you just let it run, and it tops them off, then you get your max, all your batteries used or new will top off, and your batteries will live a very, very long time. So just once a year, you got to do that. With series, because of, using new, you can't do that. You can have a complete brand new set, which costs you a lot of money because if you're running series and you have, let's say, 100 amp hour and another 100 amp hour, and you wanted to add two more 100 amp hour batteries, you can't. You have to buy 400 amp hour batteries in a complete match to upgrade it in a series setup. So you can see the, cost benefits of parallel now that you're, seeing that I can add it to a used battery and I don't have to buy a new battery. Where series, I have to buy all brand new batteries. So that's why I use parallel. Like I said, it costs a little bit more upfront because I have to have a bigger gauge wire, to support the 12-volt structure instead of a 24-volt structure. But again, because of the battery savings, I'm going to save in the long run. Now I get it. If you are going to run 24 volt right up the front and you know exactly how many batteries you need and how much power you need, then go for 24 volt. Go for the series setup. You're all good to go. Personally, I even still wouldn't do it then because, you might upgrade, something later on. It's just, to me personally, I would just stay parallel because there's just so much less things that can go wrong with the system if it's parallel. So that's it. And like I said, I just wanted to give you some more information on, because there's a lot of people, they're like, series is the great way to go, and parallel is the way to go. Most people are saying series because of the 24 volt or 48 volt capabilities. And like I said, if your batteries aren't matched, then you could be in trouble for that. You could have some problems with your batteries. So that's why I personally do parallel. And nobody ever tells you about this, that, you can't have unmatched they do say you have to have perfect matched batteries for series, but they don't say anything about parallel. So that's what I'm telling you. Parallel, you can put a used 100 amp hour next to a brand new 100 amp hour. You have 200 amp hours of power coming out of it. So that's it for this episode. And again, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe because you all make it happen.